Hello Calgary and welcome to Maclin Ford. My name is Tim and I hope you're having an absolutely fantastic day today. Today I'm showing off this race red 2019 Ford F-150, which CarFax says is an Alberta vehicle with 0 accidents. In the XL trim, this F-150 comes packed with the 101A equipment group, the STX appearance package, the XL Sport appearance package, the F x4 off-road package, as well as a 2.7-liter V6 EcoBoost engine. Now, this F-150 also includes cruise control, Bluetooth, the Sync 3 voice command system, a reverse camera with dynamic hitch assist, and air conditioning. Not to mention a pair of USB ports. Let's take a quick look at the back seats, which can be easily configured for passenger or cargo use. Thanks for watching. There is more to show you about this Ford F-150 than I can show you in this quick video. So for more information or to even book a test drive, go ahead and click that link below in the description. And you do get to choose whether you want to come visit us in person at our store, or if you want us to come bring this F-150 out to you at your Calgary area home or office. And have yourself a great day.